Lariane with Pink Dahlia Soaps here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are well. Today's soap is a soap inspired by bread. Fresh baked bread. As always, I am dispersing the colorants with the measured out oils that I'll be using for the soap base. This will be the blackberry jam color, and hopefully this will resemble the bread color. And here I am adding the titanium dioxide before I pour off the portion for the blackberry jam. Yep. So now my blackberry jam will be a little washed out. I'm trying to add a bit more of the red and purple colors. Now I throw in a little bit of black oxide to hopefully counter that white. Not what I was going for, but much better than what I started with. I'm using a mixture of fragrance oils, fresh baked bread, and blackberry jam. And it really does smell like freshly baked bread. No embeds inside the base of the soap today? No, a nice drop swirl. Just in case it's not swirled enough, I will go ahead and take this skewer and do a couple swirls. Let's see what's on my embed tray today. Wow, aren't these just the cutest little breads you've ever seen? Of course, I'm going to show you how I made them. And now I'm simply going to place the bread on top of the soap. This has been your mandatory motion sickness inducing shaky shot. 2 days later, let's cut this soap. Ooh, lovely. The swirls are so pretty. I really like the way this soap came out. Is it just me, or did the end of the year just disappear? I just feel like October flew by, November flew by, we're already in December. I'm mentioning this because I wanted to actually make more soaps and put more videos out this month, but this month is getting away from me. So I will be posting one more soap for the holiday season. I'm hoping to get that out within the next couple days, and I did want to do a few more DIY videos. I have them all recorded. It's just a matter of finding the time to actually sit down and edit the footage and do the voiceovers for them. So I promise you I am still working on those, and I will get those out as quickly as I can get them completed. I really enjoy making soap and soap videos. It's very therapeutic for me, and I am truly grateful for all the love and support from you guys for subscribing and liking, and just the general positivity that I feel from you all. I'm very grateful for that, and I just wanted to say a quick thank you. With that being said, that does it for this video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, or leave a comment below. And I cannot wait to see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.